So I've got this whole structure from January of 2018 through Christmas of 2018 as a corrective wave 4 on the main count, or a WXY for a wave A on the alternate. And so on the main count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the alternate count, A, B, C. So as you can see, there's very little difference in the expectation between the main and the alternate. Both are expecting a bottom very soon. Hurst is suggesting the bottom now, and a 40-week cycle trough, and then a move up into the next 18-month cycle crest, which is due anywhere on the Dow from mid-August to mid-September. The VIX, I made this note on the Wednesday screenshots that we're seeing more dysfunction in the VIX. I mean, it's become painfully obvious to me that the VIX is being tamped down by some heavy hands in the market, and that keeps the market somewhat propped up, keeps it from plunging too far. And it's become so obvious now. Price right now is well below the May 9 low. And so this was the spike in the VIX on May 9. And look at where we're at now after that plunge, even on Friday. This is crazy. You know, this should have spiked much higher than this. And I just think it's that the VIX has become a favorite mode of market manipulation by some heavy hands out there. I mean, otherwise this VIX really should be higher, substantially higher now than it was on May 9. So this is boy, so obvious to me, and just downright. I don't know what to say about it. It's not right. It's crooked, but I just don't see anybody. You know, as long as someone is attempting to keep the market up, I doubt they'll ever go to jail for it. They'll never be brought up on charges because there's so many people that are, you know, doing the indexing thing, and so they need that market higher to continue generally over the long haul to trend from left to right. There's lots of factions that want the market higher. There's very few that want it lower. You know, and so something's going on here, and I guess that's all I have to say about it. But it's one of the reasons why I can look at this Hurst calling for a low in the stock market right now and go, and despite all of the bad news that seems to be coming out, suggesting that, yeah, I think we're probably going to get a bounce here. And you can see on my algo, my momentum algo, we're looking pretty toppy. It hasn't crossed yet. We haven't got one of these red blocks up here, but when we get one of those, maybe as early as tomorrow after the close, this long signal that the momentum algo has been on since May 23rd will suggest exiting, being along the VIX. So we're awfully close. It looks like it's running out of steam to the upside. Awfully close, I think, to a top in the VIX.